before I go into what I know is going to be a stressful situation for me, I might start by just telling myself a different story. Whenever I talk to myself, tell myself that different story, that's called top-down control. So bottom up is using the body to calm the limbic system, the emotional part of the brain. Top-down control, talking to myself, is me using my human brain to talk to my anxious, emotional brain. Strange, isn't it? But it works. So what I can do is I can anticipate that I'm going to feel nervous in this situation, and I can say to myself, hey, perfectly natural. In fact, I like the nerves because it means I'm going to prepare well for this meeting, whatever it may be. And then when I go into the meeting and I'm feeling nervous, and I feel, how about you? I feel the nerves here in my abdomen, probably in my gut brain, right? And I say to myself, good, my body is preparing me to deliver at my best. It's giving me the energy to perform at my best. Then I tell my anxious mind, actually, yes, I'm nervous, but only 50%. It's 50% excitement about how this is going to go. I'm going to push into outside of my comfort zone. I think that's going to be really, really good for me, and I'm excited about it. Really strange how the emotional brain, when you start telling it how to interpret situations, it will say, oh yeah, actually, yeah, we are excited, aren't we? Oh yeah, that's the same as nervousness, isn't it? Because the two things are very, very, very similar in terms of the brain's response to nervousness or excitement.